How to see liked posts on Facebook. If you want to know how you can see the liked posts on Facebook, watch the video till the end. First thing first, open up your Facebook app. And once you open up your app, you will land on your homepage like this. And you're going to have to tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Once you get to your menu icon, just scroll down a bit until you find Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Once you get to your settings menu, scroll down a bit until you find this option, Your Time on Facebook. Simply tap on it, and then you're going to have to head over to See Time. Once you've done that, it will show you your average use on the past week. So right below that, you'll have the activity log. Simply tap on Activity Log. Now on your Facebook activity, click on this drop down. And here you will have an option to manage your comments and reactions. Tap on Manage, and you'll be able to see all of your liked posts. So that's how you see your liked posts on Facebook. If this tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.